हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड। सो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो हम करेंगे फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज इन इंडियन पॉलिटी में जो एक टॉपिक है उसके एमसीक्यू सीरीज से कवर करेंगे उस टॉपिक को। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एनी एग्जाम्स, एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, whether it is a JK, SSB, UPSC, any other. ठीक है। So in our channel Hridaya Competitive Exam, we're going to do MCQs. Let's get started. Is the first MCQ. Fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution are borrowed from which country? So borrowed from USA. Okay, the concept of fundamental rights is inspired by the United States Bill of Rights. Okay. Next, देखो fundamental rights are contained in which part of the Constitution? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. So right answer is Part 3. How many fundamental rights currently exist in India? Right answer, option number B, 6. Right to property was removed from fundamental rights by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. You have to remember this कि 44th Amendment Constitutional Amendment के तहत आपका right to property जो है वो remove हो चुका है. It's not a fundamental right. Next, which article guarantees right to equality? 14, 19, 21 or 32? So right answer is option number A, Article 14, which provide equality before law and equal protection of laws. Untouchability is abolished under which article? Very important. Article 15, Article 16, Article 17 or Article 18? It's Article 17. Okay? Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practices. Freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under Article 18, Article 19, Article 20 or Article 21. So right answer is option number B, Article 19, which gives 6 freedoms including speech and expressions. Which article protects life and personal liberty? Article 20, Article 21, Article 22 or Article 23? Article 21. Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of life or liberty except according to procedure established by law. Okay. Now next question. Which article provides protection against arrest and detention? Article 21, Article 22, Article 23 or Article 24? So Article 22 gives safeguards against arbitrary arrest. Okay. Prohibition of human trafficking is under Article 22, Article 23, Article 24 or Article 25. So right answer is Article 23 bans trafficking and forced labor. Okay, so these are the article an individual can approach the Supreme Court, ठीक है, in the violation of these rights. If these rights are violated, you can go to Supreme Court under Article 32 and in High Court under Article 226, right? So there is an exception. The right can be suspended during a national emergency except for Article 20 and 21, right? You have to remember these points also. Prohibition of child labor is under Article 23, Article 24, Article 25 or Article 26. It's under Article 24. Children below 14 years cannot work in hazardous jobs. Freedom of religion is provided in Article. Freedom of religion किस आर्टिकल में प्रोवाइड किया गया आपको? So it's under Article 25 to 28. Next, देखो cultural and educational rights are under Article It's Article 29 to 30. The right to constitutional remedies is under Article 32. B.R. Ambedkar called Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution. So, Article 32 is also called the heart and soul of the Constitution. Which court can issue writs under Article 32? Which court has the right to issue writs under Article 32? High Court, Supreme Court, District Court, or Session Court? So it's Supreme Court, right? Supreme Court can issue rights under Article 32. Article 32 allows citizens to approach the Supreme Court of India. High courts issue writs under which article? So it's under Article 226. High Court of India can issue writs for fundamental rights and other purposes. So in High Courts 226 and in Supreme Court 32. Fundamental duties are included in which part? So now you have to tell the fundamental duties, part 3, part 4a, part 5, or part 6. So it's under Article 4a, added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. So fundamental duties are included in which part? It's included in part 4a, added by which Constitutional Amendment? It's 42nd. Fundamental duties were inspired by the Constitution of how we added a fundamental rights in our constitution. The USA, USSR, UK, or France. So it's from USSR. Fundamental duties are mentioned in Article 50, Article 51, Article 51A, or Article 52. So it's Article 51A. There is a mention of what fundamental duties. So how many fundamental duties were originally added? 10. So there are 10. Currently, how many fundamental duties exist? So 11. The 11th fundamental duty was added by. So what is the 11th fundamental duty was added by 86th amendment, right? 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. So it is added this amendment. What this amendment say? This amendment introduced Article 51A K, right? 51 A K. ठीक है 51 AK in which what 51 AK says will mandate कि every parent and guardian must provide educational opportunity to these children between the age of 6 and 14 years, right? In this amendment, what is included? Including that every child should get education at the age of 6 and 14. Okay? So it's a 51 AK, right? You have to remember also the section also, Article 51 AK में. ठीक है? चलिए. Fundamental duties applies to citizens, right? Next, which duty requires protecting the environment? Environment को protect करने के लिए इनमें से कौन सा fundamental duty है? So that is a Article 51 AG.